welcome back to my channel, my glamorous viewers. This look I have created today for you guys with this palette, Too Faced Then and Now palette. It's a beautiful palette. Whoever you have you guys know how beautiful these colors are. Pigmentation is extraordinary. So I will try my best to create few more looks with this palette only, and I'm sure you guys are gonna enjoy this a lot. So without any further ado, let's start the video. The MAC Strobe cream. The NXdkhk BB cream. It's called Grace. Today for my foundation I'm using Too Faced. Hi guys, so I have created this look on my this side, and the other side I will be doing now just to make the video short. So let's start. First I'm going to use the concealer from MAC and use my finger. You can use a synthetic brush, that's better when you do the concealing. Never be afraid of using your finger. That's the best tool you have, best equipment you have to create a look. I love using my fingers. So now I'm going to use a translucent powder just to make it less tacky. So whatever powder I took, I'm going to dust it off and then just press it a little bit. As I mentioned in the beginning of my video what palette I'm using today, so I'm creating this look for you guys, a little bit maybe here and there a little twisted, but basically this look. So on the underneath the eyebrow I am using a very light color. I don't want to make it very highlighted, just a tiny highlight I'll use, but I'm using at this point actually for that underneath the eyebrow I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills this palette and this color. I know it's a little bit fallout, but it's okay because it's a very light color, almost like foundation color, so don't be afraid of that fallout. Then I'm going to blend it a little bit. Now underneath my eyebrow bone I'm using Chocolate from the Too Faced palette, and as you can see I am just using this on the high point of my eyebrows. Again I'll take the previous blending brush and just blend it a little bit so that it's not all over the eyebrows. Okay. For the transition color I'm using the color called Gretchen. I love that name, man. Now I'm gonna use the color, it's called NXdkhk, and using a pencil brush, little puffy pencil brush for my cut crease. I'm using a lip brush from MAC. It's a very old brush. I'm laughing because while recording I said it 3 times wrong. Anyway, it's a lip brush from MAC. This color I'm using, it's called Glitter Donut. I will be using it only on the half of my inner corner. So you see just a little bit of fallout. So as soon as you fall out, because I didn't had any powder, protective powder underneath my eyes, well I feel lazy, I didn't put it, but as soon as you, anyway this palette is unique, super unique, and not much fallout, but you know, when you work with a little foily type of color, it might drop, so you just immediately take it out so that it doesn't stuck with your skin. In the picture, the outer corner is actually, they use the shady beige. Instead of shady beige, I feel like, it's just my mood, I feel like using the chill out. So it's the same color, just a little bit. This is bluish and this other one is purplish, so I'm gonna use the chill out, but the concept of the concept of the look will be same. So when you are using the color shady beige, you kind of drag the same color underneath your lower line and make halfway, and the other half will be golden color, which is glittery donut. And then I will switch the brush and take the other brush and use the NSFW, whatever that name is, and blend it again with this. So at this point I'm using a very sharp Morphe pencil brush for my tear duct area and dragging it halfway. Now the fun part, we are going to put the kohl pencil. Actually I'm going to use my, I got bored sometime, I want to feel like changing, but again, here and there I look for my kohl pencil, I go back to my favorite Inglot. Again, that look doesn't have eyeliner. I think they skip the eyeliner just to show off their beautiful color, but I look like a fish without the eyeliner, so I am gonna do my eyeliner. But I'm not doing very strong eyeliner, I'm gonna just do a soft eyeliner. When I use the Inglot eyeliner or the gel, believe me or not, I want to hug that person. Oh, what a creation, man. Do you guys know anything better than Inglot? I just wanted to check it out. I haven't found anything better than Inglot yet. So as far as the mascara, I am using my favorite Maybelline mascara. For my lower lashes, I like to apply this one from MAC. For falsies, I'm using Huda lashes, and the glue is from House of Lashes. I love this lash glue. For blushon, I'm using today from NARS. It's called Outlaw. For my highlighter, I'm using this one from Gerard, and this is one of my favorite. For my lip liner, I have used the NYX Soft Spoken, and I'm gonna use the Kiss lipstick from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and on top of that I'll use a topper. The topper is from Gerard Cosmetics. It's called It's Complicated. It's complicated. The reason I'm using, just to sharing thing with you guys, I'm using this one. It has got a little bit of purplish tone, so that it just brings together with my eyeshadow, but it's just me. You don't have to really always match your lipstick, as you guys know. So this is my final look. What do you guys think? Do you guys like my highlight? My daughter did it for me. She's a great hairdresser.